You're ready to invest. You've got some cash burning a hole in your pocket, but the world of investing can feel overwhelming. Two names keep popping up, Stashaway and Robinhood. Both promise easy investing, but which one is truly better? Let's dive in. Stashaway and Robinhood have taken the investing world by storm, making it easier than ever for everyday people to get started. Stashaway leans heavily on automated investing strategies, while Robinhood focuses on a more hands-on approach with fractional shares and commission-free trading. But which platform aligns better with your investment goals and risk tolerance? Stashaway, the robo-advisor. Think of Stashaway as your personal investing autopilot. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment goals, and their sophisticated algorithms build a diversified portfolio for you. They rebalance your portfolio automatically, ensuring you stay on track even when the market swings. Perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach and prefer to let experts guide their investments. However, less control for those who want to pick individual stocks or actively trade. Robinhood, the trader's playground. Robinhood is known for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading. It's a platform where you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies. Great for those who enjoy researching and picking individual stocks, actively trading, and exploring different investment options. But beware. The ease of trading can lead to impulsive decisions, especially for inexperienced investors. Comparing features. Investing goals. Stashaway excels for long-term goals like retirement or buying a home, while Robinhood is better suited for short-term trading or building a portfolio of individual stocks. Fees and costs. Stashaway typically charges a management fee based on your portfolio value. Robinhood primarily generates revenue through payment for order flow, which can impact order execution. Customer support. Stashaway generally provides better customer support, while Robinhood's support can sometimes be less responsive. Which one is right for you? Stashaway is ideal if you're new to investing and prefer a hands-off approach. You're seeking long-term growth and want to minimize risk. You value automated portfolio management and rebalancing. Robinhood is ideal if you enjoy researching and picking individual stocks. You're comfortable with a more hands-on approach to investing. You're interested in active trading and exploring different investment options. Disclaimer: investing involves risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 1. Ultimately, the best platform depends entirely on your individual needs and investment style. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.